I am with Triangle Swim School. I am so excited to invite your child into our splash room at the North Raleigh location. We are opening it up to 6 students at a time, and there are 6 stations in, so 1 person per station. You can feel safe and confident about your child's social distancing while in here. You can purchase the passes through our website, or if you are a Triangle Swim School family member already and have downloaded the app, you can purchase the passes within the app. We are so excited to have your student come and enjoy this awesome opportunity, and we look forward to seeing you there.